Hello students, today we are going to learn about the module 2, that is curriculum design. We'll be discussing about the meaning of the curriculum design, the nature of the curriculum design. So as we all know that curriculum design is a term used to describe the purposeful, deliberate and systematic organization of curriculum, instructional blocks within a class or course. In other words, it is a way for teacher to plan instructions. When teacher designs a curriculum, they identify what will be done, who will do it, and what schedule to follow. So if we see the definition of a curriculum design, it is a statement which defines the elements of curriculum, states what their relationship are to each other, and indicate the principles of organization and requirement that organization for the administrative conditions under which it operates. This is a definition given by Hilda Taba in 1962. So Johnson identified three notions of curriculum design as an arrangement of selected and ordered learning outcomes intended to be achieved through instruction, an arrangement of selected and ordered learning experiences to be provided in an institutional situations. So if we see the definition of a curriculum, Garcia 2007 says the sum total of learning stated as educational ends, educational activities, school subjects, or topics decided upon and provided within the framework of an educational institution or in a less formal setting. Based on the definition, we can say that in designing a curriculum, whether for the whole program or for a particular unit, we are planning an intellectual journey for our students, which include a series of experiences that will result in them learning what we intend them to learn. So if we see the components of curriculum design, in designing a curriculum, we should consider the philosophical and learning theories to determine if our design decisions are in consonance with our basic beliefs concerning people, what and how they should learn, how they should use the acquired knowledge. So when designing a curriculum, we should also concern the nature and arrangements of four basic parts: objectives, what should be done, content, what subject matter should be included, learning experiences, what instructional strategies, resources, and activities should be included, evaluation, what and how the students should be assessed, that means the methods to be used. It can be your open book examinations, it can be your quizzes or subjective type of examination. So curriculum design involves issues based on three basic ideas: theoretical, philosophical, and practical. They all influence interpretation and selection of objectives, selection and organization of content, decision about how to read the content, evaluation of the developed curriculum. Thank you.